It's Home Tip Tuesday, and my tip for today is about the last installment on you getting a healthier and greener lawn for the summer. Today's tip is about watering your lawn. The best time to water your lawn is in the late evening or early morning to reduce water loss from evaporation. You'll want to water occasionally, but deeply. Deep roots keep your lawn healthy and lush, promote root growth by watering heavily, then letting the top 2 inches of soil dry out before watering again. The exact amount of water per week depends on the grass variety and weather. A good rule of thumb for growing season is 1 to 1.5 inches of water per week, rising to 2 inches during hot, dry weather. To find out how many inches of water your sprinkler uses, set up open containers around your yard. Run the sprinklers for 20 minutes, then measure the depth of the water in each can and multiply the average depth by 3 to find the inches per hour. I hope you found this tip useful. Take care.